Hello, I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on tests and evaluating courses on tests. So when there is a course that is assigned to you for evaluation, you'll receive an email that looks like this. So you can actually just click on this link right here and it will direct you to tests. So once you log into tests, this is what you will see. You can go up here to track my evaluations and you'll see all of the courses that are assigned to you. So I'm going to click Hennepin Tech College. This is the course that is assigned to you. If a course has been proposed for how someone in the registrar's office thinks it will transfer, it'll be listed right here. And then it will say when it was assigned, who it's assigned to, and who it's created by. So it won't usually have your name in both spots. That's just for the purpose of this demonstration. So I click into the course. I see the external course and the description, the units, lecture hours, labs, prereqs. You can actually click if you want to see all the courses that are offered in the department. So if you want to see prereqs, you can click here. And then you'll see the proposed course, what I'm saying I think it should transfer as. When you receive a course evaluation, you have multiple options. You can either approve the evaluation, you can deny it, but we ask if you deny it that you select a reason why, just so we can get better at proposing courses. You can deny it by subject, level, lab, sequence, or other. You can select more information. You could reassign. Let's say that this wasn't actually a biology course, it was a chemistry course. You could reassign it to the correct person. And you could add or edit the course. Let's say this wasn't a Bio 51 course, it was actually a Bio 152 course. This is where you would select that. And then press done. But once you select done, you will still need to then go in and approve the course in order to close out your evaluation. So let's say I approved it. Confirm, and then this is when it would leave your queue. Because I am the assignee and the creator, this will not leave my queue, so it's going to stay there, but if this was assigned to you, it would leave your queue. So that is how you evaluate courses and tests. Now I'm going to show you a little trick that you don't need to do, but it's something that I think might be helpful. If you want to see your evaluations right when you open tests, you come into Manage, User Preferences, and then Set My Homepage. Go down to Track, select My Evaluations, and then hit Submit. And then this is now what your homepage will look like, all the courses that are assigned to you.